aircraft we fly has changed and improved immensely over the years. The one thing that remains constant is the dedication, discipline, and patriotism shared by all those who fly them. Watch now as the Navy Legacy Classic Show Center returns, giving you a unique look at the formation, showcasing the history of naval aviation. From the right, the Navy Legacy Photo Class. During the course of the airshow season, different aircraft will alternatively participate in Tailhead Legacy flight flyovers at various airshows throughout the United States. The aviators who fly these vintage warbirds